Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to automate tax filings using Gusto. So are you filing payroll taxes manually? Yeah, that's so last decade. Gusto handles your tax filings automatically, federal, state, and local, so you can stay compliant without lifting a finger. Well, maybe just one to, review. Now let's walk through how to automate your tax filings with Gusto. The first step is to confirm that you're on a plan that includes tax filings. First things first, make sure your Gusto subscription includes automatic tax filings. Now, most Gusto plans do, but you want to double check on the settings, plan, and billing. And if you're on a supported plan, you're good to go. Step 2, set up your tax info properly. Now, for automation to work, your tax details must be accurate. Now, you want to go to settings, and under taxes you can enter your federal EIN as well as state withholding IDs and unemployment insurance account numbers. And then you're going to double check your business address and each employee's location and classification. Now this ensures that the right forms are generated and sent to the right agencies. Step 3, let Gusto handle the filings. Now, once your tax setup is complete, Gusto automatically calculates your payroll tax obligations each pay run, as well as withholds and pay federal, state, and local payroll taxes. Now, it also files forms like 941s, the 940s, W2s, and 1099s, all on your behalf. You don't have to schedule anything. Gusto handles it all in the background, and it just sends confirmation for each filing. Step 4, monitor your filings in real time. So to keep tabs on what's been filed, all you gotta do is go to taxes and compliance and then filings there. There you're gonna see a list of upcoming filings as well as confirmations of submitted forms and payment statuses for all tax obligations. Now if anything is pending or needs your attention, Gusto is gonna alert you about that. Step 5, review and download tax forms when needed. Now, if you need tax documents for your accountants, audits, or simply your peace of mind, just go ahead to the filing section to download PDFs of all of your submitted forms. You can also export year-end reports and summaries. With Gusto's automation, tax filings becomes one less thing to do on your to-do list. So set it up once, keep your info up to date, and Gusto will take care of the rest accurately and on time. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.